Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday. June the 18th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the Tectonic, aka JigSaw Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. And those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4-star Sudoku. We have here two JigSaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Saiba, in Japanese, Sudoku. Last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will solve these 3 regular puzzles. Alright, first one, the 3-star Sudoku. By the way, news of the day, a broken nose for Mbapé. Yes, Mbapé, soccer player in the France soccer team. Broken nose. Yeah. The 3-star Sudoku will be number 8740. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Usually a 3-star puzzle has 25. This one has 26. Should be a 2-star puzzle. For 3-star puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. But it's indicated with it's indicated with 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. But it has 26 printed digits. Should be 2 stars. 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars puzzle or a 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me start with the 8. 8 in this column. Third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, I only need to place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row, 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be here, 8 in this column. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next on that column, the only two place level 8. Could be here, could be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column. Only 3 place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 could be here, could be there. Alright. Cannot continue with 8. How about the 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so last row, the only place level 1 should be there. Need a 3 here. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so come next, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 3. Here give me 3, we have 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. Here give me 3, we have 3 in the first column, no 3 there. So the only place level 3 should be there in this row. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, and 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 6 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, then need 2. I need a 2 here. Need a 1, need a 2, 9. 2, 9, 1. Okay. 9, 9. In this row, 5 missing numbers. The middle row, one of the missing number is a 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 in the middle row could be here, or there. You see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. We see a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. So the only place level 9 should be there. So the 6 should be here. Alright. Need a 5 here. Let me think. Come on. 4, 4. 7, 7. Need 8. Need 1. 2, 2. How about? Need a 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have 5 in this row, no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have 5 in this column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 5. Here can be 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. Here can be 5. We have a 5 in one of those two boxes in the middle row, no 5 there. And here can be 5. We have 5 in the first row, no 5 there. So the only place level 5 in this column should be here. 5, 5. Alright. Then. Let me see. 7. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this second row. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left with 5 in the second row. Should be there. 3 in the third row. 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place level 3 should be there. Well, 1, 2, 7. 3 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7. The other 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1 and 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 4, 6, 9. And look, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 in the column next, no 9 there. The only place level 9 should be there. So the 4 and 6 are left. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes at there. 6, 6. 4, 4. 3, 3. Okay. Come on. Need 6 here. Need a 9 here. Need 5 here. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places level 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Need a 5 there, okay. So 2 numbers left in the third row. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Alright. Come on. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 in these 3 boxes. 6 in the first column. No 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in the third column. 6 in the first column. So the column 3 in the second column. Only place level 6. Should be there. 6, 6. Okay. Need 6 there. We have a 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column 3. The only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. No 6 there, 6 should be there. Need 4. Alright. Okay. Well, 3 missing numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing. Well, we have a 9 in the third one, no 9 there, so 9 cube in here. 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7, so the 7 cube in here, cube there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 7 in the first column, so the column 3 in the second column. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. No 7 there, 7 should be there. Then 2, 3, 4, and then 9. 2 missing numbers in the second column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So now need a 2 there. 219. 219. Need an 8 there. How about the 4? 4. We have a pair. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And if eliminated here, the 8, so the 8 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left, the 4, 8 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes early with 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. Then 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 6 and 7. 6 and 7. We have a 7 in the middle row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. Need a 7 here. 7 there. 1, 7, and the 2 are missing here. Well, need to wait. 1, 2, 7. Need a 2 here. Come on. 2, 4, and the 5. Need a 5 here. 2, 4, and the need a 3 here. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so the last column, the only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4 in the last row. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, the 5 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes early with the 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 1, 2, 1 is missing, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7. And look, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. Only place level 7 in this big square should be there. So the 1 and 2 are left. Here also 1 and 2. Here also 1 and the 2. Here 1 and the 2. 1 and 2. We have a 7 in this column. 7. So 7 in the last column. 7 in the column next. So that column, the only place level 7 should be there. So the 1 and the 2 are left here. Okay. There's 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So the row above the only place level 7 should be there. I need a 7 here, 7 there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. Here also 1 and the 2. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah. 1 and the 2. That means 1 digit left in this row. 1 and the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing here. 9, 9, 9. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and the 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, no 1 goes there. 1 and a 7, we have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left now in the third column for number, I believe, 9. Yeah, 9, 9, 9. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 in the first row, so this box should be a 2. That box should be a 1. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. And the final number in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 17 minutes. Whoa. Definitely a 2 stars. Yeah. Not the 3 stars. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.